The amount of nails that it shoots per second is top notch.
At 6 nails a second, I can get up on and off a roof extremely fast, especially doing small repairs without having to lug out compressors and generators and whatnot.
You can get a full day of work without having to go back and recharge another one. 1,100 nails is a good day's work.
One of the great things about the product on our vinyl siding crews is we're able to get through almost an entire day of install on one single charge with the tool.
A lot of times we are the vinyl siders and we are the roofers. To have it all in one, it's very convenient.
Milwaukee's gone above and beyond with the siding tip to where now we can use that on vinyl jobs. It makes me more efficient. It makes my job site safer. It's a great product that is a great addition to an already awesome catalog.